Have some milk. Ellie, want some milk? Yum. No.
What's that? Oh. Where you going? No. No? No, Ellie. Are you all done? You okay?
We good?
What? No. Are you okay? Can Dada have a hug? Can Dada have hugs?
I don't think so.
Are you okay?
What does she even want?
Cheez-Its. I think you're better.
We good?
I think everything's okay now.
Where's your duck? Where's your duck? You weren't quite finished.
What's the matter? Everything okay? All done? Okay, we're...
Is this fun?
She's practicing her tuck and roll. You practicing a headstand? Ah. It looks like the hissy fit is over. Now we're just practicing headstands and rolls. All better? No.